What up, world? What up, world? It's your girl, Camaro Key, back with another video. To all my subscribers, I appreciate the love. If you are new to my channel, hit that bell so you know when I'm dropping another video. Well, here's another one of Rick Ross's cars. We finished the Acura. It's gone. And then came and got it. So, we jumping on the bird. Jumping on the bird. They got them gutted. Gutted out. All up in them guts. So y'all already know. Once it's gutted, oh, it's on. It's on. They got colors picked out. So we waiting on material to get here. But yeah, the bird needs some help, boo. He needs some help. Tire seen better days. Dry rot. But it happens. It happens. That's easy. What y'all think? What y'all think Stitch gonna do on this one? Best believe it's gonna be dope regardless. I don't care what we do, how we do. It's gonna be dope. You have your haters in the background. You know, always trying to talk. That only motivate us to keep going. But y'all see the inside. It's looking kind of rough. So by the time y'all see it again, we're going to have some color up in here. It's going to be something. So y'all stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. I ain't gave this one no name yet. We got to see what this personality going to be like when we start putting the guts in. So until then, y'all stay tuned. It's your girl, Camaro Key. I'll be back in 3.